how to connect Activision to YouTube so you gain rewards from watching streams. So basically all we have to do is go to the main page of YouTube and simply click on our profile icon right here. Then what we need to navigate to is the settings option right here. So simply click on it. Then from the left hand side, I'm just going to zoom in, you will see all of these options. We need to navigate to connected apps. And right here, you will see in the #1 slot, we have Activision. Now, it's really important that your YouTube account isn't a brand account, otherwise you will get a different pop-up. So basically all we have to do is go to the main email, the account associated to your main YouTube email. And then what we have to do is click on connect. It will give us a pop-up right here. So click on connect, continue, and here you simply log in with your account information, and that is exactly how you connect Activision to YouTube. So I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.